Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by restarting Explorer and addressing obvious system faults. Open Task Manager, select Windows Explorer, and choose Restart to clear transient hangs. Once done, check Windows Update and install all patches because many crashes stem from outdated components. Then run Command Prompt as administrator and execute sfc/scano. This scans and repairs corrupted system files that often break Explorer. Make sure to reboot after updates, and the scan completes so repairs take effect before continuing to deeper fixes. Next, repair the Windows image and inspect extensions that integrate with Explorer. Run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to fix component store issues. This complements the earlier SFC step. After that, disable non-Microsoft shell extensions because faulty context menu handlers and extensions are a common crash source. Test Explorer after each change to isolate the culprit. Also review and uninstall any recent apps or drivers added just before crashes started, then reboot. This methodical removal narrows down the cause without destructive steps. To finish, reset Explorer settings and address profile or deeper OS faults. Open folder options, restore defaults, and clear history to remove bad preferences. If Explorer still crashes, create a new user account or roll back to a system restore point to bypass profile-level corruption. Make sure you back up data first. If none of these work, perform an in-place repair upgrade of Windows to refresh system files while keeping apps and data. This is the least disruptive full repair. If problems persist, consider the repair upgrade.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.